First things first, I appreciate your support. I hope you guys are good. A quick one. If you have a front loader washing machine, fully automatic, these are the 3 basic maintenance tips. Number 1 is the soap dispenser. Unfortunately, the detergents we use are pure chemicals. So if you don't clean this, the plastic soap dispensing compartment corrodes. Resale value goes down. It's simple. This has to be cleaned, and what you need to do is this: pull it out. It's sit and push here. Just push this in as you pull out. Simple. Clean this. Also use a clean piece of towel or brush. Clean that. Here it's porous. Make sure it's clean. Dry it and then plug it back. Number 2, there are filters here. The water inlet filter. You close the top, and then you unscrew this, you remove this. You'll need the pliers to pull this out. If you can manage with your finger, there are 2 filters there. Make sure they are cleaned, then plug them back. Number 3, you come here. This is the drain filter. This is an LG model, so it's easy. You just do this. For the other brands, you'll need a flat screwdriver or a pliers to pull this out. So do this, then you open here. Look, the floor gets wet. So what you need to do is this. Get a piece of towel or cloth, put it down, then open this so that you don't mess the place. Then open this. If you don't put a piece of towel, what happens is these adjustable legs will rust. So make sure you put a piece of towel. If the water is too much, maybe the machine has blocked, then just be ready to clean the floor. But for safety purposes, ensure you put this down and then open the filter. Make sure it's clean. Same procedure. Plug it back. Then make sure you clean this. There you go. Simple. To add on that, once you're done with the laundry, please leave the door open. It keeps the machine clean, no smell. So ensure once you're done with the laundry, the door should be open. If your kids or you're afraid kids will mess with the door because you have such instances, make sure you leave the door open overnight. Remember to subscribe, like and share for more washing machine content. I love you guys, and I'm out. Now you're up to date.